Good morning, kids. Today we'll start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6. Name of the chapter is Soil and Mineral Resources of India. So here in page number 48 you can see the picture of mining. Mining means extraction or removal of minerals and metals from the earth. So the people who work in the mines are known as the miners. The miners mines natural resources like gold, silver, iron ore, coal and many more things. And many industries use this raw natural resources to produce different products, and these products we use in our daily life. So here itself there is an analytical skill question. The question is, name few mineral resources used in your house daily. So you have to answer it in your notebook with proper date and chapter number. Now let's move to page number 49. Here you can see a small flow chart, that is resources in India. You have two divisions, soil resource and mineral resource. In soil resource we have types of soil in India, conservation of soil, and in mineral resource we have types of minerals, where minerals are found, minerals in India and conservation of minerals. We will discuss these points in detail. Rocks are naturally occurring hard solid materials and it is formed of one or more minerals. The rocks break down to form the soil, and depending on the chemical composition of these rocks, rocks are divided into three groups, that is igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks. We all know that soil is very important natural resource. Soil is necessary for plants to grow, and we human beings and animals also depend on soil for food. So, we'll discuss about soil resources. Soil is the top layer of the earth's surface. It is formed by the breaking up of rocks into small pieces by the action of sun, wind and water. So, again these small pieces are again broken down into soil, and it is carried away by wind and water from one place to another, and it takes many years to form the soil. Soils contains air, water, sand, pebbles, clay and minerals. Here you can see the different soil layers. Picture is there in your textbook in page number 49. You can see here the 5 layers of soil. First one is humus, then below humus is topsoil, then we have subsoil, broken rocks and bedrocks. We will discuss it one by one. First one is humus. Humus is the part of soil which consists of dead plants and they are in decomposition state. It improves the quality of the soil by adding various nutrients, especially nitrogen. Below humus is the top layer. It is the outermost layer of the soil, usually the top layer from 5 to 10 inches. It has the highest concentration of organic matter and microorganism. So, organic matter means the things that has come from a recently living organism. That means the dead plants and animals which return to the soil. Then we have subsoil. It is the layer which comes below the topsoil. Like topsoil, it is composed of many small particles like sand, silt, clay, but it has lower percentage of organic matter and humus. Then we have broken rocks. It is the layer that consists of broken rock pieces. The last layer is the bedrock. It is consolidated rock. That means it is solid and tightly bound. These rocks have the remains of living creatures and plant fossils. Now, this is the picture of zircon crystal. It is one of the oldest rock of the world and it was found in Kedujar in Odisha. It is considered to be 4.24 billion years old. Now, in India, we have different types of soils. We have 6 types of soils: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. First, we will see alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is an important and widely spread soil in our country. So, you can see here most of the northern plains are made up of alluvial soil. It is found in the plains of Punjab, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and other states. We know that rivers originate in the Himalayas and they flow into the northern plain. So, along with it, they carry soil and small rocks. So, this soil, when it reaches northern plain, it is known as the alluvial soil. It is very fertile and has humus. Humus means the remains of dead plants that decompose. Alluvial soil is ideal for the growth of sugarcane, paddy, wheat, rice and other cereals and pulses. Second one is black soil. It is also known as the regar soil. It is found in the states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and some parts of Gujarat. This is the picture of black soil. It is ideal for growing cotton and it is also known as the black cotton soil. It also grows crops like millets, sugarcanes and so on. It is found in the northern and western part of the Deccan Plateau. Next, we have red soil. It is red in color and it is mostly found in the eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau. So, we know that Deccan Plateau is located at the center and southern part of India. It is found in the states of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and in the eastern region. It is not very good for cultivation and crops can be grown with the help of fertilizers. So, what is fertilizer? The natural or chemical substance that are added to the soil to help the plants grow. Now, crops like groundnut, millets, pulses and tobaccos are grown in this soil. Then we have laterite soil. It occurs mostly in the southern states, Western Ghat region of Maharashtra. You can see here the Western Ghats and the region of Maharashtra, Odisha, some parts of West Bengal and northeastern regions. Laterite soil is deficient in plant nutrients because it is formed due to the washing away of minerals from the soil because of heavy rainfall. And it is found in areas which receive heavy rainfall about 200 centimeter. It is mainly found in the hilly areas of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha and Assam, and it is very good for tea plantation. Now, the red laterite soil in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala are more suitable for crops like cashew nuts. Some crops grow well in laterite soil with the use of manures. Now, what is manure? The solid waste from farm animals are known as manures. So, when we use this manures with this laterite soil, it helps plants to grow. Next type of soil is mountain soil. Mountain soils are found in the mountains and hilly region of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Mountain soils are very less fertile than the lower lands, and crops such as wheat, maize, barley, tea and fruits such as apple, pear, palms are grown here. The last type of soil is the desert soil. It is dry, sandy in texture, lack humus and moisture. You can see there it is mainly found in the desert region of Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat. It is found in the low rainfall regions and also known as arid soil. It ranges from red to brown in color. Crops like date palms, millets, barley, maize are grown here. So this was about the types of soils that are present in our country. Now we'll discuss about the soil erosion. So what is the soil erosion? Soil erosion is the natural process in which the topsoil of a field is carried away by wind or water. It reduces the fertility of the soil. Now let's discuss the causes of soil erosion. The first one is rainfall and flooding. The raindrops disperse the soil, which is then washed away into the streams and rivers. Second one is heavy winds. The minute soil particles are taken away by the wind to different places. Third one is deforestation for agriculture and construction. So deforestation means cutting down of trees. We know that trees, the roots of the trees holds the soil very tightly and helps in preventing soil erosion. And the use of chemical fertilizers also reduce the fertility of the soil. Now we all know that soil is very important for all of us. So we should conserve soil. These are the steps to do so. Afforestation means planting more and more trees. Second, the use of natural fertilizers like cow dung or compost instead of chemical fertilizers. Third one, farmers must grow different crops on the same land to maintain the fertility of the soil. Then we have terrace farming practice in the hilly areas, and planting grass and shrubs on bare soil also helps in preventing soil erosion. So this was about the soil erosion, conservation of soil erosion and the cause of soil erosion. There is an activity for you. You have to write an assignment on soil erosion, types of soil erosion, conservation of soil erosion and causes of soil erosion. You have to upload in Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.